Canada PR update. French candidates get 6,000 ITAs with near lowest CRS of the year in latest express entry draw. Breaking news from Canada's express entry system. IRCC has just released one of the biggest and most competitive draws of the year, inviting a massive 6,000 candidates, amid one of the lowest CRS cutoffs of 2025. If you've been waiting for a sign to strengthen your profile or target French proficiency, this is it. French Language Proficiency Draw Update. This latest draw recorded a CRS score of just 408, which is officially the second lowest CRS requirement of the entire year. Only the March French language draw at 379 was lower. And with 6,000 invitations issued, this also stands as one of the largest selection rounds Canada has held in 2025 across all categories. Now let's break down what happened and what it means for you. To be selected, candidates needed a CRS score of 408 and an express entry profile created before 26 May 2025 at 12:28 p.m. UTC. This is the 8th French language draw of the year and is tied as the third largest draw of 2025, reinforcing just how aggressively IRCC is inviting Francophone candidates. Why French speakers are winning big. French candidates continue to dominate express entry selections this year. With today's results, French-speaking applicants have now received 42,000 invitations, the highest count across all categories. Not only that, but French draws have featured the 7 largest draw sizes of 2025, ranging between 4,500 and 7,500 ITAs. This category is clearly a major priority for Canada's long-term demographic and economic strategy, especially as provinces and federal immigration targets increasingly focus on boosting Francophone immigration outside Quebec. How this draw fits into November's activity. This marks the 6th draw in November alone. It follows a CEC draw on 26 November, a PNP draw on 25 November, a Healthcare and Social Services draw on 14 November. Altogether, IRCC has now issued 94,476 ITAs through express entry in 2025, and the year is not over yet. What this means for future applicants. A CRS of 408 in a huge draw signals a clear opportunity for candidates who can demonstrate French proficiency at NCLC 7 and above. Scores this low can significantly improve chances for those who want a faster pathway to PR. If IRCC continues this pattern, we may see more French draws with similar or even lower cutoff scores, especially as Canada pushes to meet its Francophone immigration objectives. Conclusion. This was a major week for express entry, and today's French language draw is another reminder that profile strategy matters more than ever. If you want to evaluate your chances, understand scoring, or improve your profile, now is a great time to take action. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.